Jam with Sam. Jam with Sam.
Okay, now I'm going to introduce someone who's going to end the pain of paints in your life. Okay, welcome Mona. Sing. You know what is Jam with Sam?
Yes, I know what is a jam and I know who Sam is, so I've already experienced the jam with Sam.
So you're going to explain the real part 2 of it, the actual Jam with Sam.
Looking forward to.
Thank you so much Mona for coming over here.
Pleasure.
And Mona, let's hear something about your family.
Okay. I have a small family. My parents, Bombay based. My husband of 14 years, Pratap. My little daughter Muskan, she is 6 years. My in-laws who've been a big support system because of whom my daughter's taken care and I'm able to move forward. My brother with whom we are running the business together. So that's the little family and the extended family, which is about 300 families associated with us.
Yes. Mona, tell us something about Marshalls. I'm sure everybody knows, but we want to hear it from you.
Marshalls is a company started by my father in 1975. He's no Mr. Marshall. He's a engineering graduate called Baldev Krishan Sharma, and wanting to do something on his own, saw potential in the product that a product which is fast, convenient and hassle-free is a product for the future. Got into it in 1975 when nobody saw potential in it. Today one realizes that yes, there is merit and things are moving in the right direction. So I always call him as a person who sees much ahead of time.
Okay. Like a visionary.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And I keep telling him that whatever he's done 30 years ago, if I just do the same thing today, I would be 20 times more successful very easily.
Okay.
So he's been the mentor, the guide, the philosopher and the visionary of Marshalls.
Okay. So you have your own manufacturing setup or something in India, or you import, or how do you what is the kind of production and you do?
We started as a marketing company. Backward integrated into manufacturing.
Okay.
We have a public limited company under whose name we manufactured called Greatex Industries Limited. Did the public issue, went all of that. We stopped manufacturing 3 years ago because initially since 84 to about 2008 that we were manufacturing, it was important to manufacture locally because the import duties on wallpapers were very, very high.
Okay.
It was something like 240% duty. So either you unofficially import, which has never been the way we've done business, or you do not import, because a product costing 100 rupees, if it's going to cost me 2,400, I'm not going to buy it. So that's where we backward integrated into manufacturing our own product. And since the market opened in 2001, we saw that importing products was much easier. The import duty started at 70%, came down to about 38%.
Okay.
Today they are at about 35%.
Okay.
So it's much more, better to import a finished product. And both are independent activities. If you look at manufacturing, then the whole process of design, development, the materials, sourcing, everything, it's a complete activity.
Okay.
And marketing is a completely different activity.
Absolutely.
So we thought it's better to focus on one and looked at manufacturing, stop manufacturing and look at marketing in a more serious manner.
Okay.
So we are a marketing company today. We distribute wall coverings manufactured by world's best wall covering manufacturers from Europe and USA. So when we started off imports in 2001, we had the opportunity to select our partners. So be it Marburg from Germany or Rasch from Germany or Iveco from Belgium, Umesco from Belgium or LSI from USA, Lanark from USA. We got a choice to select our partners.
Okay.
And we, depending on the market segment, we selected partners accordingly so that we are able to do justice to each and every supplier whom we work with and are able to do a turnover with it.
Okay. Okay.
We want to be specialists in wallpapers and not just specialists in a particular range of wallpapers. So to a customer, I have a wallpaper at 20 rupees installed, and I have a wallpaper at 1,000 rupees installed. So the entire range of products when it comes to wallpapers is available with us.
Okay. Where is your office based out of?
Today in Bombay we have 12 showrooms. Our head office is in Mahim, and we are there in Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, you name a city, and we also have a franchisee in a place like Vapi and Nasik and Bellary. Okay, entrepreneurs who wanted to do something on their own, and they actually fought with us and took the franchising.
Okay. Can you tell us something more about this franchising?
See, we initially my dad and my mom got into business, and for those two people to run an organization up to a certain point was okay. We opened about 6 showrooms in mid-80s, but due to managerial problems and so on, and staff taking on inquiries and messing things up, we had to actually take a step back and close all those showrooms, and we just maintained the Prabhadevi showroom. So when again we wanted to venture into opening up more outlets, because each area is getting self-sufficient. I would not come to Andheri for anything in this world. So
I have to force her out of it. Like,
we realized that for a product which is not a necessity, a simple product like wallpaper, person is not going to get up from Andheri, come to Prabhadevi and say, okay, show me what Marshalls has.
Sure.
So if Marshalls wants to sell to a customer in Andheri, Marshalls needs to be in Andheri.
Right.
So taking that thought forward, we started looking at our partners, and we appointed our first franchisee in Ville Parle, gave it a run of about a year, and then took the model forward to other people.